If you've been wanting to crimp your hair for some fun event, let me introduce you to the Wavytalk Power Wave. I was just gifted this iron crimping tool, and this is so cool, and there are so many reasons why this stands out amongst other hair crimpers I have tested in the past. Now, to start off with, the main piece is that it actually has kind of a cool, almost like an S-curve in it. A lot of them do like a full wave in it, which means that when you're crimping your hair, you're often repeating sections on your way down, which can give a more consistent crimp, but can also damage your hair faster. So I really love this design as it makes it so I'm really only crimping each section once. And then it actually has an ionizer built inside. So it is shooting negative ion air into the hair crimping area as it's crimping to help reduce frizz and protect your hair. Now, of course, you still want to use heat protectant, but that little negative ion emission opening is very cool and very unique. And then on top of that, it has all the controls for you to set a timer so it'll beep at you and to set what temperature is best for your hair. Now let me show you these all close up. Now I'll plug it in a moment and show you this LED screen, but I want to show you a few other very cool elements on this. First off, these are ventilation holes. So if you unlock it, it has a little lock on this side, you can open it up and you can see inside those openings actually connect to these holes, which help when you're heating your hair that it's not just getting crisped in there. There is just a little bit of ventilation. That's very cool. That's that negative ion little diffuser point right there. And then it does have these silicone little elements on both tips so you can set it down when it's still hot. So really nice and clean all around. It does have the spin on the power cord, and the power cord is about 6 feet long. Now, before I plug it in, I do want to show that the instructions have some key information for you, specifically your temperature control. It will recommend what temperature heat setting you should use for your type of hair and how long your hold time should be. So this is really, really helpful to hold on to, but also really quite straightforward. So let me plug it in and show you how it works. Now I just plugged it in. You can see the off, and the buttons are all right here. These are going to control the temperature. This is your timer, and this of course is your power button. So if I hit power, it'll turn on, and it will turn on at a default of 6 seconds, and it looked like 300 degrees Fahrenheit. That's probably because that's what I had it running at for me. And you can see just how fast it's heating up right now, but let me show you what these do. So I can hit plus and go up in temperature. It goes up to 420, or I can go all the way down to 280. I'm going to keep it at 300. And then for that timer, I can choose between 4, 6, 8, and 10 seconds. And that part's really, really cool because when it is on your hair and it's running, it is actually going to beep at you just like that at 4 seconds. So every time you close it, you'll hear that beep when it's time for you to move the crimper. So it really is smartly designed, very beginner friendly, very cool. I am very impressed with this. It is very beginner friendly and very kind to your hair for an iron crimping tool. And if you've been looking for one, this is the one I recommend, the Wavytalk Power Wave.